Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So I am going to rinse my new plant, and I don't have a hydrogen peroxide, but if I don't have it, I use this as a substitution. This is a Listerine Gold, the brown Listerine. Yes, that's what I use to disinfect my plants. Not just my plants, like my orchid. Sorry for that. My orchids, my plants, and everything. I use a Listerine Gold for disinfecting them. So without further ado, let's rinse my new plant first, and then I am going to spray it with this one, and then I will wait for a few minutes and rinse it again with water. That's how I do it. That way my plant don't get burned. So let's just do it. Make sure that your water is not hot. So I am actually using the cold water, but you can also use your warm water. But just to make sure I'm not gonna burn my plant, I'm going to use my cold water. So let's start with my brandianum. This is how I rinse my new plants. I am not scared of rinsing the leaves because they get dry so fast in my living room, because I have air conditioned and I also have my fan, so there's nothing to worry about. But okay, yeah, I'm kinda worry about this because the soil is all over the plant. That's why I'm rinsing it right away. But I am not going to spray the leaves with the hydrogen peroxide or with the Listerine, because it's no need for that. Just the roots. Make sure that the roots is disinfected. So I am being so gentle with the leaves because of course leaves are very delicate. So that's what I do. And then yeah, that's kind of mushy, so I have to take it off. Anything that's mushy needs to take off. I am going to use my spray. Yeah, I am doing like this because I used the hot water earlier, so I need to make sure that my water is not hot. So I'm just do spray like this. Make sure that if there are insects inside there, inside here, they will be washed away. And that is also the easiest way for me to remove the dead skins like this. I call it skins but those are just the thing like these. I forgot the name of it anyway. So let's just continue, and I am going to do the same with my mandula. I'm just going to rinse this, and because I am going to put it in water, I am going to rinse the roots very well. That way it don't degrade in the water so fast. So I am going to do the same with all of it, and then I'm going to show you how I spray it with my hydrogen peroxide or my Listerine. Okay, BRB. So that's how I clean my new plants. Well, I don't clean my plants like that if the soil is not all over the leaves, but because the soil was all over the leaves, I did that kind of cleaning because I don't want my plant to die, because these plants are not cheap, they're so expensive, it's like gold. So anyway, I have a distilled water here with me, and this is what I'm gonna use for them. I don't have much. I don't know if I have much here, but I put 3 of my mandula here, and I am just gonna put enough water so they don't get thirsty. You may ask why I use water since they came with a soil in it. Well, I would like to make sure that they're not gonna rot, so I am just going to observe them here for at least 3 to 5 days, like that. And if they do good, I am going to transfer them in a soil. Well, my mix, you know, my plant mix soil doesn't have soil in it. So anyway, that's how much water I put in it all the time. Just make sure that it's just soaking that much. See, I don't put too much. Oh no, we lost power. Oh, power's back. Yeah, we have hurricane and the wind is blowing so hard outside, and that's causing it for us to lose this power. Anyway, I'm just gonna do it faster, and ta-da, I have just enough water for this one, I think. Well, I'm going to add more, at least up to here. I'm so sorry, at least up to here, the water, because yeah, it needs more water. But for now, that's it. So like I said, I am going to what do you call this? I forgot what I'm gonna say. I am going to put them there together with my other plants that are under my growing light. Yes, my grow light. Yes, they're gonna be sitting there for few days, and then after that I'm going to put them in a pot and put them outside. So that's all, folks, for today's video. I'll thank you so much for supporting me, for watching my videos, and you know. So that's pretty much all for today's video. I thank you so much for everything, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.